So here we have a nice little bit of TT, Isle of Man TT history that we're selling. This is Phil Mellors 1983 TZ350, which won the TT in 1983, and it was the last 350 class. So this is in a Spondon frame. It's got all the same graphics on it that Phil rode with at the Isle of Man and won it, as I say. It's even got, I remember these being added, this little bit of aerodynamics that are on it. This comes for sale with a full spec on it. The engine's been rebuilt, the frame's been powder coated, everything's been done on it. It's even got Phil Mellors' trophy comes with the sale. So have a look on the on our website. All the spec will be on there. Now I'm particularly interested in this bike because when I was club racing, and it would have been 1983, sort of early to mid 80s, I was racing a Spondon frame TZ350. Various success. If I didn't win, I usually crashed. So I have got a little bit of an affiliation to an 80s TZ350. So it speaks for itself. The spec is lovely. It's a lovely little bike. We're going to fire it up. Probably not the place to fire it up in the showroom, but it will. Hopefully, it will bump because it starts very, very easily. So if anybody was to buy this, you would be straight away eligible for all the classic racing, Goodwood, any of the other championships. You could go straight in with this, with the pedigree that this bike's got. It's even got its original Spondon frame number down there. So as I say, it speaks for itself. It's a lovely little bike. Let's give it a go at firing it up. Hey, you bugger.